Hi everyone, I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to use Picsart. In order to use Picsart, you have to follow the steps. Now, I'm going to show you step-by-step procedure, so make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now, first thing what I'm going to do is install Picsart. So go to my Play Store, and then on the search box I'm going to go ahead and type in Picsart. Since the application is already installed on my device, so I'm able to, you could see this open button. If you have to download it, press the install button and wait for it to install. And right after it's installed, you need to click the open button, and what next you need to do is you can either go ahead and log in, or you could just go with the free account. After you've done that, it's gonna show this sort of interface, and it's gonna ask you to select the interest and all that. So now what next you need to do is if you've used Picsart to edit an image or photo, video, whatever, then you have to press the plus icon and make sure that you've enabled all sort of permission. Next thing what you want to do is go ahead and click on the permission button so that you can access the photos that's stored in your gallery. If you want to go ahead and, let's say, edit the particular video or the particular image, so you need to go ahead and open up the particular video or the particular image. So let's say this is the particular image that I want to go ahead and edit. At the bottom of your page, you can find multiple tools which is going to help you edit or make changes with the following image. If you can go with the tools section, you can find this list of options. So if you want to use it, so just press on it, and if you don't want to use that particular one, just go back and image will be untouched. And next thing, you could go with the effects. If you want to apply effects just like this, whatever you want to do it, so you can find it. And after you've done this or after you've used it, so you could also go ahead and locate other images as well. You could go with the like retouch, remove background, stickers, cut out text, all that. So you could go and explore all the features that's available, and this is the basic way you could go ahead and use Picsart. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.